To increase revenue, YouTube algorithm explained. To increase revenue on YouTube, it is important to understand the platform's algorithm and how it works. The YouTube algorithm is designed to prioritize content that is engaging, relevant, and popular among viewers. Here is a complete summary of the YouTube algorithm. Watch time. The YouTube algorithm prioritizes videos that keep viewers engaged for longer periods of time. This means that longer videos, as well as videos that have high audience retention rates, are more likely to be recommended to viewers. Engagement. The algorithm also looks at engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares to determine how popular a video is among viewers. Videos that receive a high level of engagement are more likely to be recommended to others. Relevance. The algorithm considers how relevant a video is to the viewer's search query or interests. This means that videos with descriptive titles, tags, and descriptions that accurately reflect the content of the video are more likely to be recommended. Quality. The algorithm also looks at the quality of a video, including the production value, audio quality, and overall presentation. Videos that are visually appealing and well-produced are more likely to be recommended to viewers. Viewer feedback. YouTube also takes into account the feedback provided by viewers, including likes, dislikes, and comments, to determine how well a video is received. Videos that receive positive feedback are more likely to be recommended to others. Channel authority. The algorithm also considers the overall authority of a channel, including the number of subscribers, views, and engagement across all videos. Channels with a strong track record of producing high-quality content are more likely to be recommended to viewers. To increase revenue on YouTube, it is important to optimize your videos and channel to align with the YouTube algorithm.